Hey guys, it's Christian Rios, and today I am super excited to showcase one of my newest listings. It's here in the beautiful community of the Lakes. This property feels like a model home and it looks like a model home. Let's go take a look. This property is just over 2,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths. It's on a corner lot. And what I love about it, there's no rear neighbor that's connected to you. It's a 3-car garage. There's also 32 solar panels with the EV charging already hooked up. The kitchen, you guys are gonna love it. It's completely updated, quartz countertop, beautiful backsplash, luxury vinyl planks as the flooring. The upstairs has the master bedroom and bathroom that have been completely upgraded and renovated as well. I also do want to highlight the giant loft area. There's a great potential for a game room or a theater room. If we go back outside, there is freshly installed sod. There is an Alumawood patio cover that has been installed as well, perfect for hanging out and entertaining. I want to highlight this is one of my favorite communities here in Menifee, the Lakes community. This property in particular is walking distance to the pool, to the splash pad, to all the walking trails and the parks here inside of the community. I hope you guys enjoyed today's property walkthrough. As always, I'm only one call, one text, one message away from helping you out. Any questions in regards to this property or any properties in the future, do not hesitate to reach out.